Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix communication issues with HelloTalk. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the HelloTalk app on your device. Tap on the chats icon at the bottom of the screen. Select the conversation where you are experiencing communication issues. If messages are not being delivered, check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or have mobile data enabled. If the connection is stable, try sending a test message to see if it goes through. If messages still don't send, return to the main screen and tap on Profile. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Under Settings, find and tap on Account. Select Log Out and confirm your action. Once logged out, close the app completely. Reopen HelloTalk and log back into your account. Return to the Chat section and select the same conversation again. If you are not receiving responses, check your notifications settings. Ensure notifications for HelloTalk are enabled in your device settings. If problems persist, consider clearing the app cache. To do this, go to your device settings. Find the application settings and locate HelloTalk. Select Storage and then tap on Clear Cache. Restart the app and check if the communication issues are resolved. If the issue continues, check for any updates available for the HelloTalk app. Visit the App Store on your device and look for HelloTalk. If an update is pending, download and install it. After updating, reopen the app and check your chats again. If all else fails, consider reaching out to HelloTalk support. You can find support options in the app or on their official website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.